All right, so in an earlier video that I did, I showed you guys how to draw the square, shoot the degree, and then figure out the miter. Well, this way I'm going to show you guys the formulas to figure out the same thing. So to figure out your miter, you have your outer and your inner, or your heel and your throat, however you want to do it. So basically you just measure from the outside across, inside across, and it's going to give you a measurement. Divide that by 90 and multiply that by your desired degree. So for example, got a 3-inch fitting, 3-inch pipe. We got the outer 9 7/8, divide that by 90, gives me this decimal, multiply that by 80, which will be our desired miter, because it's 8 3/4. For the inside, same thing. Inside was 4 7/16, divide that by 90, gave us this decimal point, multiply that by 80, gave us this. So basically we just get our tape, mark it, wrap it, cut it. Now you have your 80 degree, okay? Now, say you need the cutoff, or excuse me, the takeoff of this fitting, right? You need to figure out the takeoff for if you're making a spool or a pup, or you're going up a hill, you have to land in a certain spot, you have a tight space, you need to hit it the right angle. So that formula is gonna be half the degree, so we have 80, so it's gonna be half the degree tangent. It's going to give you a decimal point, and then you multiply that by the original cutback. The original cutback on a 3-inch long radius 90 is going to be 4.5. So for example, half of 80 is 40, because that's half of our degree that we already shot. So we're going to put that in, tangent, then it's going to give us a decimal, multiply that by 4.5, that's going to give us 3 3/4. It's going to give us a decimal point rounded to the nearest fraction, usually the nearest eighth. And that's how you figure that out. I recommend you guys write these down if you guys don't have them, if you guys don't know them. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any more questions. You guys can also send me a direct message if you don't want to write the comment. I usually write back pretty quickly. Let me know what you guys think.